Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Students, now we will do some questions based on the concept heating effect of current. तो पहला क्वेश्चन है, a resistance of 25 ohm is connected to a 12 volt battery. Calculate the heat energy generated in joules in 1 minute. So, the question is to find the heat energy generated. We will solve this question. So, first of all, we will write the given values. What is the value given? Resistance R is equal to 25 ohm. Okay, students. Now, potential difference V is given 12 volt. Okay. And time is given 1 minute. Fine. Which will be equal to 60 seconds. We are required to find the terms in standard international unit. Okay. Now, so these are the given values. We are required to calculate heat energy generated. Heat energy generated denoted by H. For that, formula, if you remember, is different formula were there. We will take the formula V square by R into time. Why we choose that form? Because V is given and resistance is given and time is given. If current is given, then the formula is, I square RT. So, we will put the values. V square means 12 square upon resistance 25 ohm into time 1 minute, which is equal to 60 seconds. We will simplify these terms. We will get 144 into 60 upon 25, which on simplifying we will get nearly value equal to 345.6 joules. So this is the value, means heat energy generated in joules in the given time interval 1 minute. So the particular resistance generates this much amount of heat energy in joules. Okay.